Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the bundled WAMP server. So this bundled package will include all the different components that you'll need, such as Apache, MySQL, and PHP. So the alternative would be to install all of these separately by going to the separate websites for Apache, MySQL, PHP, and then phpMyAdmin, which will help you manage your database, etc. Similar thing would be the MySQL toolbox, which you'll also get as part of the MySQL download if you choose to. So if we go back here, you'll see that this WAMP bundled server will include Apache 2.2.21, which is the latest release. So this WAMP 2.2a is up to date. The PHP 5.3.8 is also up to date. MySQL version 5.5.16, 5.5.15 is listed on MySQL's site. So we're very up to date. It also includes phpMyAdmin. So basically all the configurations will be done to interconnect these different components if you install it this way. So this is definitely the easiest way, but if you want a particular version of one of these different components, then you're going to have to go and install it yourself and do all the configurations manually, which I'll show in another video later. So this will be the bundled install. So if we move over to the download section here, you can see there are two options. You can either install in 32 bits or 64 bits, and my system's a 64 bit, so I'll go ahead and install that. So I'm uploading a video at the same time to YouTube, so it's a little slow to get to the next page. So here we go, save file. So you can see it's 24.5 megabytes, so not all that large. So in the YouTube post, I'm going to cut this down and skip over this. So the WAMP server is now finished downloading, so we'll open this up to pull the installer. Shows the different versions of the components on the left here. Hit next, accept the agreement, choose the directory to which you want to install WAMP. Default directory keeps things simple. Desktop icon's fine with me. Ready to install. So go ahead and install this. Shouldn't take all that long. So it's installing phpMyAdmin, Apache, MySQL, please choose your default browser. So we'll choose Firefox here, so let's just go to Computer, Program Files, Mozilla, Firefox. Now I'll finish the installation in just a second. Allow access to private networks. This should work for now. Localhost, my email address. Not sure how important this is at this point in time. And you can launch the WAMP server now. Allow yes. So you can see at the bottom here, you can see this WAMP server icon that's now turned green from red. So you can see the various different menu options here. So you have MySQL, PHP, Apache, etc. So this is a local host, so this is probably just a link to your web browser to pull up localhost. So yeah, this will show some of your WAMP server configuration. Let's see if phpMyAdmin will let us in. And it does. So the first thing you'll notice is this error at the bottom in red that says your configuration file contains settings root with no password that corresponds to the default MySQL privileged account. So you did notice that we did get to phpMyAdmin into this page without any password. So now we're going to change that. We're going to go under the privileges tab here. We're going to go under the root localhost and click edit privileges. Now we're going to scroll down to where we can set a password. So enter your password. I'm going to set to pass 0011, pass 0011, and then hit go. Now it says that it's set the password up here. So if we were to try to go to a different tab, or let's just go back to the home page, we're going to get this error because we haven't set this password in your phpMyAdmin configuration file. So we're actually locked out right now. So a lot of people end up in this situation as well. So let's go and change that and allow ourselves to get back in. So we'll go under our WAMP server. We'll go under our www directory. Just a quicker way to get to your WAMP folder. Go into the apps folder, your phpMyAdmin, and then go to this file called config.inc.php. Open it up, and you'll see here that our password is unset. So let's set this to the password that we just set in phpMyAdmin. Save it, close it, and now we should be able to get back into phpMyAdmin, but we can't. So what's the issue here? Now, to solve this, go under your history, clear recent history, and clear the cookies. So clear now. So now you can see we're back in. So now we're back in with a password. So you can see that this error message at the bottom is now gone. So this is all I plan to show in this video. So now you have your WAMP server running, you have a password set, so you have a little bit more protection. So in the next video I'll show you how to put your WAMP server online, and then I'll show you the different configuration files that are used to interconnect these different components of your WAMP server. So a little more detail, and then we'll then lead on to a video that will show you how to install each of these components separately and manually set all these configurations in case you decide to do your install that way. So if you like this video and found anything useful, please like it, and if you want to see the next videos in the series, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.